Hello, welcome or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today I'm making my grandmom's Christmas melon seed soup. Wrewre Nkwan. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you always coming along. Official, let's get into the cooking. Thank you. So for our ingredients, we'll be needing our melon seed, that is our Wrewre, some fresh tomatoes, salt to taste. This is our blended spice, some pepper, stock cube, onions, and chicken and beef. So we are using chicken and beef for the soup. So these are the ingredients needed for our melon seed soup from Wrewre Nkwan. Everything here is washed and clean. It's always important. So we'll go ahead and chop our onion. This soup is really a traditional Ghanaian soup, and normally with Ghanaian soup always chop our onions. That's the way our grandmothers used to make it. They always chop their onions. Stock cube, our blended mixed spice, some salt to taste. Just go ahead and mix everything together. As you know from my cooking, I never add water to my meat because there are the juices from the meat is going to do the cooking by itself. This really makes your meat very tasty because the flavors it brings from the meat always cook your meat very nicely, and you get the flavors that you need in your soup. So I'm not going to add any water to the meat. Yeah, as I always say, pepper and salt is to your taste. My youngest doesn't like too much pepper, so I'm using only this, and then I'll add 3 tomatoes and some onions in it. This type of soup is like peanut butter soup. You don't need to add a lot of stuff in it because the flavors the melon seed brings to your soup, if you add a lot of ingredients or other things to it, it really takes over the flavors you get from your melon seed. So it's always important when making soups like peanut butter or a melon seed, don't add a lot of stuff. You need just a few tomatoes. Let's check how it is doing. It's really, as I said, that you really need the meat. Look at the juices from the meat. It's really super nice. They are cooking very nicely with the juice from there. So just go ahead, leave it a little bit, and then we check on our veggies. They are so perfect. So we'll go ahead and toast our melon seed. So this is our Wrewre. The Wrewre and we are going to toast it. But you can also do it in the oven. But I prefer to do it this way because this is the way that my grandmother used to do it back in the days. You can hear the sound of the toast, really toasting good. So our Wrewre is ready. It doesn't take much time because when it's over toast, it will get burnt and you won't get the flavors that you need. So it's ready. So we are going to soak it in warm water, yeah, for 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so this is how I'm going to do it. And then wait for 15 to 20 minutes for the water to absorb, the melon seed to absorb some water, so that it will be very easy for us to blend and also get it clean. It's also important. So Wrewre Nkwan without akoko mesa, the lecture says it's not a Wrewre Nkwan. So we are going to add some basil to it for the flavors. Wrewre Nkwan there is very important. So the akoko mesa and as a basil begum, it will go ahead and add some green chilies also for a bit of flavors. Very important. Akoko mesa no so yen ejuma kama. Ewo akoko nkwan, Wrewre Nkwan. You can see that our melon seed have absorbed a little bit of water, and the water has actually changed color. It means that it's really clean. It's like we are bleaching a little bit of the melon seed. So look at how it is. Okay, me too. Yeah. So time to strain our melon seed. So now we have taken all the liquid out. Yeah. So in Ghana, we have body. But if you have also a garden, it's also safe as compost for your garden. But I don't have a garden, so this one will go in my bin. You know, baby, I said the Wrewre is somewhere, and you toast to you get this nice flavors. This is the liquid that we got from the melon seed. You cannot add it direct to the soup because the soup has salt in it already. And when you add it to the soup direct, it's going to curdle because of the salt. So we are going to cook this separately before we add it to our soup so that you get the smoothness that you need. Yeah. So as you can see, our melon seed, it's ready, it's cooked. Now we can go ahead and add it to our soup. Look, everything from one shade. Wow, just perfect. Yes. Look. So, wow. Look. You bring your quite papa B. This one on top of my soup will be a hit. I remember growing up as a kid, my grandmother would make this every Christmas for us with fufu. Yeah, it's a fufu papa bi na chesenya sem ketua na sa and quite way pa no. It was always one of my favorite soup. For Christmas, every Christmas we used to eat this soup. Look, yeah, so the Nkwan say wow, this is the perfect Wrewre Nkwan. Wow, the flavors here are awesome. You don't need too much ingredients because this soup, wow, it's stuffed with all the goodness. Look. So now it's time for us to remove our basil. So I'll just go ahead and remove it from the soup. Yeah. I'll go ahead and remove my basil, my kokomesa from the soup. Otherwise it's going to be mushy in the soup. Yeah, that's it. So look, as you can see, this soup has chicken and beef because I'm doing it just the way my grandmother used to make it. She always used chicken and beef. The combination makes this soup unique and the flavors you get are awesome. But you can use any meat of your choice or any fish of your choice. It's okay, but I'm doing it just the way my grandmother used to make it. That's why I'm using chicken and beef. I still have some basil in it I have to remove. Yeah, because they are done with the chop. Yes. Our soup is ready. Time to serve it over our fufu, our authentic Ghana fufu. And kwaya kona. Wrewre Nkwan papa bi. Our soup is ready. Look how it is. This is our authentic melon seed Christmas soup in my grandmom's way. All are invited. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.